This one is a 1924 LC Smith Bros, model number 8. Later merged with Corona to become Smith Corona. Almost 100 years old. This is your ultimate desktop classic typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one has a feature, it's got the decimal points. I'll show you how to use that too. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line spaces on this side. Skip 1, 2, or 3 spaces, and to change that, you just turn this dial on the right side here. There's a dial right there, and you turn that, and it has the numbers on it. We're gonna keep it on single space. Very nice typing, sturdy machine. Top of the line technology for that time frame, 1924. Cutting edge technology. I'll type a sentence real quick. Very nice typing machine. You can type all day on this thing as fast as you want. Made out of steel and cast iron. It's like indestructible. Lasts forever. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. Let's go with the decimals while I have the paper on there. So it's meant for math and money. You have the tabs on the back here, and you can put them wherever you want. So we'll put this first tab right here, and that's what we'll use for the decimals. But when you hit the tabs, it's going to stop at each one of those. But we're just going to use that first tab, which to start the tab, it's just a period. So we hit that, and then we'll hit, let's say, $1.20. Skip a line, and you get back to the beginning of the margin, and then you hit the 1, and then you got 10.20. And if you can see that, it puts a space before the next number, so you got $1, you got $10, you got $100, and $1,000. So let's go with, we already did $1 and $10. Let's go with $100. 1, 0, 0. Actually, that one's 1,000. Got 2, 0. And that one would be the 100. So you get the gist of it. For doing money on the same line with different spaces in the beginning, that's how that decimal point works. And I'll show you the rest of the functions. To pull this paper out easy, you flip that switch forward, you can pull it right out. Also load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. The line space is on the right side on this model. Usually every single one of them is on the left. So that's kind of cool. It's got a nice little lever there. The ribbon selector switch to go from red to black. We only have a black ribbon on here, but to utilize this, you push it down and it locks in. You probably can't see that, but there's a locking mechanism under there. It's kind of easy to, once you see it, easy to work it. We're going to keep it all the way up, and that's on black. It's got a shift lock on the top left here, and it'll keep the shift down to clear it. Just hit that, and you got another shift on that side. Got a backspace right here. That works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.